with all beautiful ingredients. So we need lovely butter and special ingredient, peanut butter. Ooh, we put the peanut butter and we mix it all around. Melt it and mix it. Then we add special sugars, lots of lovely sugar. And we mix that, make it really thick. Are you watching? Yummy. And then we have the extra egg. Beautiful egg. You must have lovely eggs for it. Okay? There. Gets even thicker. And then finally, the flour, bicarbonate soda, little bit of salt. Oh, there. That's the mixture. And then we have, we put them, we put them on the baking tray. And then, come on, help. Put them on the baking tray. They'll make huge, they come huge. They're tiny now, but they spread out. And then decorate them. You want to decorate them. So not you, I said to children. Come, decorate the chocolate and the peanuts. And now special Christmas baubles. Do-de-do-de, do-de-do-de. We take them to the oven. Hey, Cookie, you want one? You are so yummy. Okay.